My name is Ross Donoghue from Global Markets Group. Today, we're in the centre of London for a trading educational seminar with Spiroglou.
Doing events like this helps you move forwards. It educates you.
The best place in London to organize the event. The viewing is beautiful. The venue is superb.
The location is absolutely great here. We are in central London, or the financial quarter.
Today, experience and learned information, I think I built a lot of confidence.
I thought it was very instructive, new ideas, and he did it very well.
It gives me quite a bit perspective of how the training works. I'm sure it's going to put me on right path now.
I found the workshop to be very informative. I've had an excellent day so far. A big thank you to Global Markets Group as well for hosting the event.